Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Sarah. You might know me as the Haute Homemaker over on Instagram. I'm so glad you're joining me. I have an awesome spring style inspo video for you. I have 5 spring uniforms to maybe help you get out of your style rut. Maybe you have a closet full of clothes and you're like, oh, I feel like I have nothing to wear. I just need some fresh new ideas. I have 5 of them for you today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any style and lifestyle videos that I share every week. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get into the video. I love this classic uniform for every day. A crisp, clean white blouse paired with high-rise straight leg jeans, a neutral sandal. It's perfect for really any occasion. Add a belt for even more polish to this basic uniform. I love how it just brings it all together by adding one simple accessory. I always love adding hats to elevate my looks even more. I love this tie waist shorts trend, especially a leopard print short. They're so fun. They add a pop of color, and I love that they can easily be dressed up or down. Super easy to pair it with a basic top like I have here. Throw on a pair of white sneakers, again, to dress down these shorts for every day. This casual, comfortable uniform is perfect for springtime into summer. It's so easy to wear. I love a lightweight white sweater for this season, paired with sandals. I threw on a cute printed headband to just elevate this look. A striped tee is always an essential wardrobe must for me. I love it paired with white jeans for spring and summer. It's so easy to throw on. Adding a leopard print sandal for some pattern mixing and interest. I love stripes and leopard together, and then finishing off this outfit with a classic denim jacket really just brings it all together. Another really easy spring and summer uniform is with a denim skirt. I love it paired with this puff sleeve lightweight sweatshirt. I added some mules to dress it up, and a hat always easily elevates any outfit for spring and summer. I love this look together. I love a shirt dress for every day. It's an easy all-in-one outfit. Just pair it with some white sneakers to dress it down, make it a little bit more practical and easy to wear. Add a denim jacket as an easy layer to really just polish this outfit and bring it all together. Okay, I hope you are inspired and maybe excited to get into your own closet, put together some new spring outfits from this style tutorial that I shared. I will link everything in this video in the description box below. I will say these are all great versatile wardrobe pieces that I feel like are easy to incorporate in your wardrobe. So if you're looking for versatility in your closet, I would say all of these pieces definitely hit the mark and will just help you to create outfits like the ones I shared today for an entire season. So if you like this video, would you give it a thumbs up? I'd love to hear your comments. What kind of style videos do you want to see next going into spring and summer? I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.